Hello friends, there are lots of viewers has requested us to publish video tutorial on complete shopping cart with Stripe payment integration. For this, here we have publishing video tutorial series on step-by-step create PHP shopping cart with Stripe payment integration. There lots of website has used Stripe payment integration for accept online payment, and it is very easy to integrate in our website. So, in this tutorial series, first we will make PHP shopping cart, and then after we will integrate Stripe payment within shopping cart and store order data in MySQL table. For make this tutorial, we will use PHP script and MySQL database for server-side operation, and for client-side operation, we will use jQuery, Ajax and Bootstrap. And for received online payment, we will use Stripe. In first part, we will load product on web page with Add to Cart button. In second part, we will display shopping cart details in Popover plugin. In third part, we will discuss how to add item into shopping cart. In fourth part, we will discuss how to remove single item or all item from shopping cart. In fifth part, we will proceed for checkout, and for this we will display shopping cart details on web page and make payment form. In sixth part, we will discuss how to validate payment form data with validation of credit card or debit card detail, and in last part we will discuss how to integrate Stripe payment gateway in shopping cart. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database, and here we have three tables like product, order table, and order item table. In product table, we have store product details. We will fetch data from this table and display on web page, so user can add item into shopping cart. In order table, we will store order details like customer name, address, credit card details, order number details. And in order item table, we will store order item like item name, item quantity and item price details. This is our working folder, and here first we want to load product on web page from MySQL database using Ajax. For this we have open index.php file. Here we have already write Bootstrap navbar source code for display header menu. Under this Bootstrap navbar, we have write division tag with id is equal to navbar cart. Under this we will display shopping cart with total amount of cart. Under this, we have write an order list with class is equal to nav and navbar nav. Under this, we have write list tag, and in list tag, we have write anchor tag with id is equal to cart popover. Data placement is equal to bottom, and title is equal to shopping cart. Here we have defined one anchor tag, so when we have click on this tag Bootstrap popover will be slide down on web page on bottom of this tag with title shopping cart. Under this anchor tag, we have write span class is equal to badge. Under this class we will display total number of item added into cart. After this we have again write span tag with attribute class is equal to total price. Under this class, we will display total of cart. Now here, we have write division tag with ID is equal to popover content wrapper, with style is equal to display none. We will convert this tag into bootstrap popover. Under this, we have write span tag with ID is equal to cart details, and under this tag, we will display shopping cart item details in table format. Below this, we have write anchor tag with ID is equal to checkout cart. By click on this button we can check out from cart, and proceed for payment process. Same way for clear whole shopping cart details. For this here we have write anchor tag with ID is equal to clear cart. By click on this cart, it will remove all item from cart. Lastly here, we have write division tag with ID is equal to display item. Under this tag we will load item on web page, with add to cart button. Now we have moved to write jQuery code. First we want to load product with add to cart button on web page. So here we have make load product function. Under this function, we have write Ajax request, and under this first, we have write URL option set to fetch item.php. Here we have send request to this PHP file. In second option, we have write method, and here we have write post. Here we have use post method for send data to server. After this, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write dollar with division tag ID display item with HTML method, and under this we have write data. This method will display product on web page, with add to cart button. Now we have moved to write PHP code. So first we have make database connection. So here we have write $connect variable is equal to new do class, with 3 argument like MySQL host set to localhost, database name set to test, username set to root, and password set to blank. Now we have go to fetch item.php file, and here we have write include database connection.php. This code will make database connection. After this we have write $query variable is equal to select star from product table, order by ID in descending order. Below this, we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this, we have write query variable. This statement will make query for execution. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $statement variable with execute method. This condition will check if query is successfully run, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This method will fetch above query execution result, and store under this $result variable. After this, we have write for each loop, and under condition, we have write $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write $output variable, and under this variable we have append HTML code, and here first we want to display product image. So here, we have write image tag with attribute source is equal to images folder name / $row image variable. It will display product image. Below this image we want to display product name, so we have write $row name variable. Same way, we want to display product price details, so we have write $price variable. After this, we have write input type is equal to text with name is equal to quantity, ID is equal to quantity with value of $row ID variable. It will generate unique ID name. And value is equal to 1. Under this, user can define number of quantity for particular item, which they want to add into shopping cart. Now we have write, input type is equal to hidden, name attribute is equal to hidden name, ID attribute is equal to name with value $row ID variable, and value attribute is equal to $row name variable. Here we have store product name details under this hidden field. After this, we have write input type is equal to hidden, name attribute is equal to hidden price, ID attribute is equal to price. Value of $row ID variable, and value is equal to $row price variable. Here we have store particular product price details under hidden field. Lastly, we have write input type is equal to button, name attribute is equal to add to cart, ID attribute is equal to $row ID variable value. So by click on this button, user can add particular item into shopping cart. This way, we have store product list data in $output variable in HTML format. Now we want to send to Ajax request, so we have write echo statement with $output variable. Now we have go to index.php file, and here we have called load product function, so when page has been loaded into browser, then this function will be called, and it will display product with add to cart button on web page. Friends, here, we can see when page has been loaded into browser, then we can see item on web page with add to cart button, and above list of item we can see shopping cart symbol. So, in this part, we have seen how to load product data on web page with add to cart button. In next part, we will load add to cart item in Bootstrap popover.